And here, oh my gosh, we're here at almost Stockholm City. Hi there. And
A block away.
we're just a block away from our house. Oh man, and the water is up to here. Look, oh my gosh. So you can see here how deep the water is, and oh my gosh. I guess we need a floater dito. Oh my gosh. The water is very deep now. So as you can see, we're at the
4 feet na to.
Huh? Yeah, 4 feet na nga actually. More than I guess. Oh my gosh. Well, I have to log off for a while kasi oh my gosh, look at the car. Oh my gosh. That is the car of Anthony, the best friend of my daughter. Okay. Anyway, I have to log off for a while because it's getting deep. I guess I have to swim now. Okay, bye. Okay. We're here at our house. My mom and dad's house, and this is our neighbor. And yeah, that's my ninong Ikes. And we're here, as you can see, the water is up to my chest now. Opo. Kamusta po kayo? Ay, there's my cousin Arian, and she's home alone. May kasama ka ba? Ha? Ano na? Sino? Oh my gosh, tapos? Oh my gosh, sandali. Kukuha kami ng first aid kit. Yun, nasugatan daw. And sino-sino kayo dyan, Arian? Okay, sige, putahan ko kayo mamaya. Okay. Look at the van. And oh my gosh, look at that. The house is really devastated. And even the laundries. Kamusta po kayo dyan? Well, I don't know if the food that I brought is enough for them. And, oops. Ayan, may stairs nga eh. Kinakabahan ko yun, stairs. And, all of the books. And, oh my gosh. The mouse, and then the computer, and then the monitor of the computer. Oh my gosh, a photo album. Oh my gosh. The table here is almost full. Wait, ano to?